Hey YouTube, what's up? So today we're going to do a video on how I'm actually going to acquire some of my parts. First off, the RTX 2060 is coming in the mail tomorrow, so I'm super excited for that. That package comes with a Battlefield 5 or Anthem code, so I'll be able to purchase one of those games, and once I'm done with the build, actually show you guys in-game performance of most likely Anthem. I know Battlefield 5 is one of the few titles with RTX capabilities, but Anthem is the newest game, which comes out February 22nd, and I'm really looking forward to that. So I'm most likely going to go with Anthem and show you guys some in-game performance of that. But what I want to go over in this video is sort of how I'm going to acquire a couple of the major components for the build, mainly the NZXT H500i and the NZXT Kraken X62, as well as some possible other parts like the Samsung NVMe M.2 solid-state drive, as well as the EVGA Supernova 750 watt power supply. So the way I'm going about doing this, and hopefully these parts are going to end up being completely free at the end of the day, is by using my Amazon Mturk account. So at Amazon Mturk it's a site hosted completely by Amazon where you're able to do really awesome surveys. They don't pay that much money per survey, but when you take into account the time per survey and the payment of that survey, it ends up being really good value for the work. So I've actually been spending the last 4 or 5 days really going in on some surveys. And I do have a full-time job, so I'm working from 8 in the morning till 5 in the afternoon. But when I get home from work, I'm going on Amazon Mturk. I can show you guys my earnings so far the past few days. So these 2 days were the weekend, but I managed to get $42 a day there. And then the last few days, or last couple days, I've managed around $150 or $140. And then today already, with my approved hits, it's at $30. Once the rest of them get approved, I'll be at $60. So as you can see, I'll be up to around 300 bucks. So the X62 Kraken and the NZXT H500i together are only going to cost $240. So I already have that amount in my account. All I have to do is transfer this either to my Amazon gift card balance or my Amazon web payments account, which will allow me to just purchase these items on Amazon. So just by doing some quick surveys, it does take a decent amount of effort and a decent amount of time, but as you can see, the payoff is amazing. I'll get 2 key components for my PC completely for free just by doing some surveys on Amazon Mturk. So today is the day where all of those surveys on Amazon Mechanical Turk finally pay off. So as you can see, we're getting some thermal grizzly cryonaut thermal paste for our CPU, the NZXT Kraken X62 280mm radiator, and the NZXT H500i. So I'm purchasing now because the Kraken just got reduced from 140 to 132. So it's an even better deal than it already was. And I'm going with the NZXT H500i Black Series case and thermal grizzly cryonaut because from everything I've seen, that's the best thermal paste out there. So the total's $241.58. So will we have enough money from Mturk surveys to get all of this for free? That's what we're about to find out. Proceed to check it out. So we got our NZXT H500i for free, our NZXT Kraken X62 for free, and our Cryonaut Thermal Grizzly Paste for free. As you can see here, our order total is $0.00. This is unbelievable. So we are now going to place our $0.00 order on Amazon. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you got some really valuable information out of it. I hope you sign up for Amazon Mechanical Turk and use it, because why the heck not? You can see you get free stuff on Amazon. Next video will most likely be the RTX 2060 unboxing. I know you've probably seen plenty of them from other YouTubers, but mine will be different. It'll be better, believe me. So that'll be next. And then after that, I mean, we got to buy the rest of the parts and then put this PC build together. It's probably not going to happen until end of February, but you have something to look forward to. So thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. We have a ton of views, not that many subscribers, so if you like the videos, if you're viewing the videos, subscribe to the channel, because there's more where this came from.